Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with remote learning and teaching process to bridge the gap. Happy learning to all students. Hi students, this is your Raju sir from Thakur Vidyamandir High School and Junior College. Welcome you to the online teaching for the new academic year 2020 to 2021. Today we are going to focus on chapter number 5, Mass Media. In India, we see how the evolution of radio has taken place and the different transition and the changes accordingly. And especially how the radio station in India is called Akashvani. History is also essential in planning radio programs. For example, Akashvani has preserved recordings of all the speeches delivered each year by the Prime Ministers of India on 15th August. Akashvani invites historians as experts for discussions on various occasions such as the anniversaries of birth or death of national leaders, anniversaries of historical events, etc. Lectures on the contribution of various national leaders need to be supported by historical information. Programs like On This Day in History are also an integral part of the daily programs of Akashvani. The evolution of television in India is so very interesting to know, and especially how Doordarshan became so very important in the initial days and its different changes which has been brought on till date. Television channels also telecast programs based on history. Doordarshan and other television channels help in creating interest in history among people through their historical shows and serials. The mythological and historical serials like Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bharat Ek Khoj, and Raja Shiv Chhatrapati attracted a very large audience because of their popularity. While producing this type of programs, maintaining accuracy with regard to the presentation of environment, outfits, weaponry, lifestyles, lingual expression, etc. is very, very essential. One needs to have a deep understanding of history of the concerned period. We see today there are different networks of new channels coming in with different variety of subjects being handled by them, and a lot of knowledge and information is given to the general people in the society. Channels like Discovery, Historic Channel, National Geographic Channel, they are all very informative, and an in-depth study is actually conducted and shown live to the people across the world. Currently, channels like Discovery, National Geographic, History Channel, etc. have opened a rich treasure of global history for the audience. You not only know of your national history, but it is also like you go around the world through these networks or channels which come live to you and you come to know the world history as well. It has enabled people to view the historic and geographic wonders at home. To make such programs more entertaining, some parts of the serial are actually enacted by actors such as the characters of heroic men and women, sportsmen, army chiefs, etc. Beside these serials about ancient monuments, forts, histories of empires, and also the history of culinary arts are watched by a large number of people with great interest. People with deep knowledge of history in the respective field are sought out in all the fields mentioned above. We have come to the end of this chapter. But there is one interesting fact which we all should know. Bharat Ek Khoj, a serial telecasted by Doordarshan, has a special place in the history of Indian television serials. It was based on Discovery of India, a book written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. It was directed by Sham Benegal. This serial presented the history of India from the ancient to the modern period, throwing light on social, cultural, and political history of the respective periods. It effectively portrayed many aspects of Indian history like Harappan civilization, Vedic history, interpretation of Ramayana and Mahabharata, the Mauryan period, the Turk-Afghan invasions, Mughal period, and the contributions of the Mughal emperors. Not to forget the Bhakti movement, role of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, movements of social reform and Indian struggle for independence, etc. Roshan said, the actor who played Pandit Nehru's role in this serial, also appeared as a narrator introducing and explaining various parts of the story by dramatizing them using folklore and informative speeches. The serial was admired in all parts of India because of the comprehensive historical perspective of Pandit Nehru and its equally comprehensive visual presentation. My dear students, stay safe, be relaxed, let go of all negativity, focus on something practical, creative, which brings the best in you because you're the best. Smile because each one of you can make a difference. Make every moment count. Hope and trust in God. After every dark night, there's a new morning, a new day, and a new beginning. I'll be back. Till then, thank you.